Hey guys, how's it going? So I recently bought those pots from Goodwill so that I could tie-dye them. Okay, well, I originally wanted to tie-dye them, but then I found out that that can't really be a thing because you can't really tie them, the whole process of tie-dye. But what you can do is kind of like water marble them. So I'm going to be doing that with nail polish, and I have my pots here from Goodwill, and what I'm gonna do is spray paint them so that they're white and you have a background to put the nail polish on, and then I have this one here that's already white, so I can do this one right away. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I spray paint. I have this, I just got it for this purpose, so I hope it works, and yeah. So I spray painted the whole first pot white so that the whole entire thing could be water marbled. And then for the second pot, I decided to tape off the top because I wanted there to be kind of a contrast between the gray pot and then the colorful water marbling. Just have a little bit of variation there. And yes, I don't know how to spray paint. This was actually my first time ever doing it. So if you have any suggestions on how I could maybe spray paint better, leave those in the comments below. So here are my spray painted pots. I have this one taped. I left them out to dry for maybe like 3 hours, and it's really hot right now in California. Well, not really hot. I think it's like 90 degrees. But it was hot enough for these to dry pretty quickly. So I'm just taking off the tape on this one. There we go. This is exactly how I wanted it to look. I don't really know where I was going, what I was going for with this, but it's done, so. And then I have my other one fully spray painted. So I have a bucket of water here. Oh, hold on. I also have my other pot that I got that's already white, which made it easier for me. And I have a bunch of nail polishes. So my mom really loves to do her nails. So she has a bunch of nail polishes, and she gave me ones that I could use for this purpose. And I'm doing it with nail polish because my mom says that she water marbles her nails like this. And since I already have it, why not? So I think that the first one I'm going to do is gonna be this fully spray painted white one. So what you're supposed to do is choose your colors, and I think for this I'm going to do, I'm gonna do blue and purple. And just open it, you just pour it in. Okay, there we go. I think I needed to mix this better. Oh, that looks cool. And then I'm going to get the purple one, shake it up a little bit, and then pour this in as well. Okay, I think that was kind of a lot. I've never done any of this before, so you guys are witnessing my first attempt. I'm gonna get a toothpick so that I could make a design. Okay, so here's an overlook on what I have so far. Oh, it's really clumpy. I feel like I should be doing this faster. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna, I feel like I should be wearing gloves for this, but I don't have any gloves. So I saw a video of someone else doing it online, and what she did was she just dipped it in like this. So I think that I'm just gonna dip it in like this and then pull it straight back out. So oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I think I'm I'm just gonna let this dry on a napkin. That's so cool, I didn't know it was gonna work. There's still some nail polish in here, and I kind of want to dip it upside down this way. So I'm just gonna grab the inside of the pot like that, and I'm just holding it with my tension with my fist, so I hope it doesn't fall in. That worked too. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry here for now. That looks so beautiful, but I kind of want a brighter pot. I have nail polish all over me. Okay, let me just wipe this off because I don't want to have to put acetone on my hands. So now I'm just gonna kind of get rid of the rest of the nail polish that's in here because I want to do some different colors. Oh my gosh, I want to do like strawberry banana. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. So I have yellow, and pink. I like this pink. It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna mix it because last time that's kind of what broke up the colors. So I want to avoid that. And I'm just gonna stick this one in like that, and I can hold the edge because I don't want anything getting on the rim. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we'll see. This looks crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you this. It's so beautiful. This is my strawberry banana swirl. Second try, and it looks beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down to dry also. And then I have one more pot. I kind of want to make this one. Let me get rid of this polish. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do half and half, kind of like I think I'm gonna do half of it the strawberry banana thing this way, and then I'll do the other way like that. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but we'll see. I'm really nervous to do it like this because what if it looks ugly? That's okay, that's okay. Okay, so half of it like this. Oh, I kind of want to do half like that. Okay, let me do that. Okay, that was not the move. It's so clumpy. Look how clumpy it is. Let me see what I can do about this. I don't know what I can do. I'll just set it down while I make the other side. And this other side is going to be a lot better, for sure, because I'm learning as I go. I have my water cleaned up as best as I can. It's getting really messy and it's kind of sticking to the sides. That's not really ideal, but that's what's happening, so we're just gonna roll with it. So the colors that I think I want to do on this one, I really like the pink and yellow one. That one's so bright. So I think I'll do bright orange and blue. Would that look nice? Bright orange and blue? I don't know, we'll see. And I'm going to dunk in the other half of the pot. I hope it'll be even. Okay, this one's kind of ugly, but that's okay. Okay, let me clean this up. Okay, so here are the pots that I made. Overall, I think they came out pretty good, except I think this one's a little ugly, but that's just because of my color choice and not doing the method properly. I really love this one, the banana strawberry swirl one. That one's beautiful. And then this one's okay. It was the first attempt, so I'm not too mad about it. Yeah, this was actually a lot of fun, and I'll probably do some more pots like this. Also, I have some tips that I would recommend since this was my first time doing it and what I would do differently. I think the way that I spray painted the pots was okay. I really like the taped off thing going on here, so I would probably experiment a little bit more with that. I would not use a tub this big because the surface area of the water was very large, which meant that the nail polish could spread out a little bit too much. So that's why there's so much blank space here. And I do not recommend clumping all of the nail polish together because it's gonna come out very lumpy like this. Alright, so if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!